Thank you for joining me today. I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead. I want to introduce you to a way to register early and get a good discount on a workshop that I'm conducting on February 15th in Los Angeles, California. And the name of the workshop is Freedom from Chronic Pain Suffering. This is for healthcare providers that want to get more understanding and tools for dealing with this very underserved and challenging population. I would say complex. We call it the triple diagnosis syndrome. People have chronic pain that results with coexisting mental health disorders, including depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, and then they also have medication use issues, medication misuse, abuse, pseudo-addiction, and even addiction in some cases. And this workshop will give you an overview of some of the overwhelming obstacles and how to intervene. And most importantly, it will give you a strategic system, the addiction-free pain management system, on how to deliver better synergistic treatment services to this population. I've been working with these people for 36 years, living with my chronic pain for most of that time, probably 34 years, and I haven't had to suffer with my pain for over 30 years because I actually have to practice what I teach. You'll really be amazed. This is a 6 continuing education hour workshop. Your registration fee includes lunch. It'll be at a very nice venue, the Lux Hotel, and you'll get lunch, and we'll just have a wonderful opportunity to have some valuable new tools. You'll walk out with tools you can use immediately. I'll introduce you to the concept of using a manualized treatment approach to improve treatment outcomes. There's a link below this video for you to take advantage of the early registration and let them know that you found this video and you're replying and you want your early registration. And you'll see the links below. You'll also see a full description and the workshop objectives under this video, but you're going to walk away with some amazing new tools. I'm excited about this. I'm partnering with Psych seminars to present this, and I want to invite you to take advantage of this early registration. If for some reason you can't make the February 15th, don't despair, because I'm doing it again on May 5th in Glendale, California at the Embassy Suites Hotel. And again, 6 hours, lunch, a beautiful venue, and a dynamic, fast-moving day where you'll learn some valuable new tools. So don't hesitate. Go to the link below and sign up today. The space is limited, and I really look forward to seeing you on February 15th. Onward and upward is one of my favorite sayings that I use when I work with people, because it's better than spiraling down into the chronic pain trance. We'll also talk about that and how to help people get out of that pit. So thank you for joining me today, and please take advantage of this early registration. And I look forward to seeing you in Los Angeles on February 15th.